Area throw salute to the welcome for playing Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. Manchester United 2 and Man City 1. And we get a guy AB will be like, you know, Bunga person. Bunga man, you can make tell us about how insane team performance today. Okay, AB, now how you see your team performance?
They played great. I beg the fighting spirit from the boys. Yes. The coach changed himself. Too good. I beg the coach they try. More not lie. Since he come, you dey see the positive impact for my youth. As I did now, wait my own, make they just support the coach. Anything you want, give am. May do the work. They do the work with the CN. They do the show workings. You understand? They give us results where they suit our body. Now, as a Manchester United fan, you feel they come with pride. Say yes, we come watch match. Yes, you pay your money, watch match. You enjoy. Yes, no, you're not gonna hide like Chelsea. That's what it be now. That's what we get that confidence. Yes.
So I want to ask you now. For this today performance, now which player you think say play past all the rest Man U player where you could point to, okay, you know, say all the Man U players play, yes, all right. But which player you could say that this one be my man of the match?
Man, not like for the midfield, Fred and Casemiro they try, they mark the ball well, they try. But for the super sub, when Garnacho come and change the game, he bring that pressure Man City well. They run them down, they work out, they run. That boy, you just need to be consistent. Just keep working hard. May they do well. You know, say normally when you come as a from academy, you no go want to start match. They see they breed you up. That's so our guy agree with his start. May continue. If he continue like this, the future is bright for him. So now Garnacho and Casemiro and Fred, they try for the match where they try.
So I want to ask you now, as a Man U fan, with all this Bunga doing this when you see from your club, what do you expect from Manchester United by the end of the season?
Play. Oh. If you still go carry the league, more man not lie because when man you they do it, they give you the shit and say yes, we're ready to come play ball. We're ready to come play ball. Forget self, you asking yourself, go pursue there to the end. Yes, man you go finish second or third if you not carry that league. But we carry one trophy this season. That one is sure. That one they know that one sure. That one self sure. Man you go carry one trophy. That one assured. They know they play that one self.
So if you want to rate the work when Eric Ten Hag now they do for Manchester United on a scale of 1 to 10, from 1 to 10, now how you go rate the work with what you don't see so far?
More not to go by hype, I mean not entitled. We'll give her 8.5. 1.5. 1.5 we go season for ourselves. But he give us trophy. Then on my own made the board just to support her. Yes. The guy they do better work. He's doing well, yes. We are very happy with him, yes.
So what do you get to tell other Man U fans now?
Most just trust the manager, trust our players. Most they support them for every match. That's all. We are going somewhere. We will surely carry something. This manager, I know work. The Bololo not before just anything. They think well. The barber so that I go enter so that I feel they think far. That's what it means.
All right. My country people now lawyer boy of course where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you now as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.